Learn how to create a short 3D animated movie using ChatGPT and text to video. First, go to ChatGPT and type in your story prompt. ChatGPT will then create a short story which you can convert to a 3D animated movie. Select and copy parts of the story which can be converted into images. Next, go to Clipdrop.ai or Leonardo.ai and paste in the prompt. Click Generate, and when the images appear, choose the preferred image. Continue this process with other parts of the story to generate multiple images. If you want consistency in your images, upload the image you've just downloaded, enter a new prompt, and Leonardo.ai will create similar images. Next, go to Runwayml and upload the images. Click Generate, and Runwayml will create an animation of that image. Once that is done, it's time to create the audio to the story. Go to Elevenlabs and choose a voiceover of your choice. Then go to ChatGPT and copy some paragraphs of the story. Click Generate, and Elevenlabs will create audio for those paragraphs.
Once upon a time, in the quiet little town of Willowville, there lived a child named Lily. Lily had a beloved teddy bear named Mr. Snuggles, a tattered old bear with button eyes and a stitched smile. Mr. Snuggles had been with Lily since she was a baby, offering comfort during thunderstorms and cuddles during bedtime. One sunny morning, Lily woke up to find her cherished teddy bear missing from her bedside.
Repeat the process for the rest of the story. Next, it's time to create the video. For this, go to Canva.com, go to Video, and select YouTube. Upload the videos you've just created from Runwayml and drag to the timeline. Do the same with the audio. Adjust the video length and image length to suit the audio. Here is the final video.
Once upon a time, in the quiet little town of Willowville, there lived a child named Lily. Lily had a beloved teddy bear named Mr. Snuggles, a tattered old bear with button eyes and a stitched smile. Mr. Snuggles had been with Lily since she was a baby, offering comfort during thunderstorms and cuddles during bedtime. One sunny morning, Lily woke up to find her cherished teddy bear missing from her bedside. Lily's eyes welled up with tears as she frantically searched her room, but Mr. Snuggles was nowhere to be found. She couldn't bear the thought of losing her faithful friend, so she decided to take matters into her own hands. Determination filled her heart as she decided to form a detective club with her best friends, Benny and Sophie, to solve the mystery of the lost teddy bear. Benny was known for his incredible observation skills, and Sophie had a knack for solving puzzles. Together, they made the perfect team. Armed with magnifying glasses, notepads, and a map of Willowville, the trio set off on their adventure. Their first stop was the neighborhood park where they had played the previous day. Lily remembered that she and Mr. Snuggles had a delightful picnic there. They questioned the park's visitors and searched the bushes, but the teddy bear was nowhere to be seen. Their search continued at the local ice cream parlor, where they had stopped for a treat after the park. The friendly owner, Mr. Jenkins, remembered seeing Lily with her teddy bear, but didn't know what had happened to it. Sophie asked for permission to examine the security footage, hoping to spot any suspicious activity. As they watched the footage, something caught Benny's sharp eye. He pointed at a figure lurking near the park's entrance, holding a teddy bear that seemed to match Mr. Snuggles. The detective club had their first clue. Following the lead, they ventured deep into Willowville's woods, where the mysterious figure had disappeared. The forest was dark and filled with eerie sounds, but they pressed on, motivated by their love for Lily and her lost teddy bear. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a hidden glen where they found not only Mr. Snuggles, but also the figure from the security footage. It turned out to be a lonely old man named Mr. Thompson, who had been feeling sad and missed having a friend to share his days with. He had taken Mr. Snuggles, hoping it would bring some happiness into his life. Lily, filled with empathy, understood that Mr. Thompson needed a friend just as much as she did. She offered him a warm smile and invited him to join their detective club. Together, they formed an unbreakable bond of friendship, and Mr. Thompson returned Mr. Snuggles to Lily, realizing that friends were more precious than any teddy bear. As the sun set on Willowville, the detective club, now a quartet, made their way back home, their hearts full of gratitude for the unexpected surprises and new friendships they had found during their adventure. And from that day on, they knew that no mystery was too big when they faced it together, as friends always do.
If you like this tutorial, please subscribe and like.